friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Evie and I make corsets and wedding dresses. Today I wanted to do an unboxing where I show you some new materials that I have received for my corsets. This is what was in my package, my beautiful corset power mesh, and I ordered it in 3 different shades. So we have an off-white, a light nude, and a dark nude. I am so excited. Let's see how they are. Okay, so here they are, my beautiful corset mesh fabrics. I am so excited. This is a power mesh. It's perfect for corsets. It will not stretch. We have an off-white color. We have a lighter nude and a darker nude. To be honest, I was expecting this one to be much lighter. It looked lighter in the photos. And as you can see, they're somewhat close in shade. I expected it to be a little bit darker than this one. This corset mesh will now be available in my Etsy shop. I will link it in the description for you if you're interested in making corsets that have a transparent effect. This is the corset power mesh that you want, and I will have all of these 3 different shades available. Another item I ordered was this, and this is bone casing for the underwire on the corsets, and we also use it for the boning. And this is how it looks. I got it in a nude shade. It will go perfectly with all of these, depending on the look you're going for. And I also had one in white that I was using previously. That's how it looks. Let's take a closer look at this power mesh. This is how it looks, close up. And I see it does stretch a little bit this way, but not this way, obviously. Now I want to show you guys how the bone casing will look on top of each of the different corset mesh shades. So here we have the light nude and the white, or I would say this is more off-white, not white. And this is how they would look on the corset. Of course, this corset mesh is see-through, so you would see the skin showing through, and it all depends on the look that you're going for. this is how it looks side by side. This is the lighter nude corset mesh. And this is how it would look on the skin. And this right here is the darker corset mesh, or the dark nude. You can also buy the bone casing in black. Really depends on the look that you're going for. Okay. This is how it looks on the skin. I will also be adding the bone casing onto this corset. This is how it would look. So here's the white, and then here's the light nude. And for this specific dress, I will be using the light nude one because we don't want the boning to be very visible for this look. And the dress will be covered with lace all over the bodice and the skirt as well. I like how that looks. And this is the corset that I'm currently working on. It's also made from the corset power mesh that I have over here, except it's in a different shade. And this is a classic corset with a sweetheart neckline, and it goes down to the waist. This is the back, and we're going to have lacing in the back here. I also have another corsets that I'm currently working on that I wanted to show you. This is a long basque waistline corset. It has a straight neckline. I use the same pattern as this one, except it's longer. And then I'm also working on a corset with cups. This is it. As you can see, this corset mesh is a lot lighter than the other one. In my Etsy shop, you will also find a bundle of 2 corsets. This is the first corset. It is a sweetheart neckline, basque waistline corset, and it comes in 8 sizes from extra small through extra large. The second corset pattern is this one right here. It is a sweetheart neckline corset, and it's short, so it goes to the waist. It comes in sizes extra small through extra large, and it's the same pattern that I used to cut out this corset right here. You can get both of these corset patterns in a bundle in my Etsy shop, and I will link it down below. Thank you for spending time with me today. I enjoy hanging out with you guys and showing you my fabrics and my projects that I'm working on. Leave me a comment to let me know what kind of project you're working on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!